Good morning, guys. It's a Sunday and it's time for another virtual tour. So today I have come to Vagator Beach, and somewhere that side there on the hill is Shapora Fort, and behind me that side is Little Vagator, which is also known as Ozran Beach. So what I'll be doing is I will take you around this place, especially the main road outside, and I'll show you what's there around. So let's start the tour from the beach, and as you can see there are many families here and there are jet skis, so people are having fun. It's a beautiful place. It's such a coincidence, I've never been here before. I've been to Little Vagator Beach, which is Ozran Beach, which is that side, and yeah, this is my first time. So there are kids playing here in the sand. They have made some sand castles, and besides that I do see that there are water sports activities happening here as well. So in case if you want to come to this location, you need to put on Google Maps Shri Mahalakshmi Bar and Restaurant. I met this beautiful couple from Haryana and they are having a good time here at the beach. Have a nice time. They got my channel. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you. Bye bye. So yes, on our vlogs I do meet people who are excited to talk to me, and it's a nice feeling to meet people from all over India and all over the world. Now let's head over outside to the main road, and as soon as you get to the entrance here, you will get to see this little shack. Looks like there's nobody there, and look at this little calf here. And this is the section for water sports. In case if you're interested, you can pause the video. And also here at this side there are some stalls that are selling coconut water. So yes, a small entrance, but I'm so excited to be here because this is my first time. I don't know why there are no people here at this shack here. And just look at this guy selling Goa bags. Yeah, thank you. Right, so it's around 11:30 in the morning. The beach looks lively. Lot of tourists have come here, and this is something that caught my attention because I am a nature person and I love nature. So yes, the olive Ridley sea turtles, they come here somewhere and lay their eggs. I recently watched, what's this place here? So this is towards the backside of the beach, looks like. Yeah, so there's some water. I think during high tide there was some water that was collected here. I'm heading out to the main road, and another good thing here is that you don't have to pay for any parking. So the parking is free here, and this is where all the two-wheelers are parked. So I parked my bike somewhere here, and yes, I wanted to show you this place, Shri Mahalakshmi Restaurant and Bar. So in case you're coming here, put that on your Google Maps. Now it's time to go out on the bike. Unfortunately, again in today's video, Adrian's not there with me. She's busy with some work at home, so I had to go solo. And yes, sorry once again, I have not introduced myself. My name is Gavin. Adrian and myself, we cover many places in Goa. We cover restaurants. So now let's head out to the main road and I'll show you the place outside. Right, so I'm heading out of the two-wheeler parking, and it's a bit rough here, the roads, but yeah, it's fine. And as you saw on my left, there are many stalls here that serve ice cream. But if you go to ask them the price, they'll tell you almost triple the price of what the actual price is. Anyway, so yes, if you're coming to the beach, yeah, nowadays the weather, it's a bit better, but yeah, it is hot, so come prepared. Get your sunscreen, your hats, your sunglasses, something to stay cool, water, and be careful of such people who overtake you from the left. So yes, I keep saying that very often in my videos. Please be very careful when you are riding in Goa. Carry all your documents, make sure you wear your helmet. You'll see a lot of people not wearing helmets. Please maintain safe distance. Alright, now we are outside the beach. We have taken the left turn here, and there are lots of stalls here on the left and right. So Anpaz Goa Coffee Bar and Kitchen, very famous place here that just passed by. On the left here there was a little stall, Mayo Roma Resort, and right side here has some bags and jewelry. So on the beach, yeah, we did see those guys selling the bags which are made from jute, and those bags are really durable. I have used those. I have always had these bags, and they sell it for like 200-300 rupees. Back in the day I even got it for 100 rupees, but yeah, definitely those days are gone, but you can surely bargain. Now on my right here are some stalls where you can have Maggie and you can buy your sunglasses, t-shirts. Left side here coming up is Holy Cross Chapel, if I'm not mistaken the name. Let me check the name. Yeah, Holy Cross Chapel. And the good thing here in Vagator, good and bad thing I would say, is there are very high-end restaurants, very good restaurants, but yes, the rates are sometimes over the roof. So yes, do check the menu and check all the charges. Coming up here on my left is Mango Tree. This is the parking, and I have to show you this awesome place. Like literally, I have to show you this place. This is a bakery here called Jaws, and they have many things that are being sold. They sell almond cookies, almond croissants. So this is a fantastic bakery, and they have some people, no entry if wet, sandy or both, no pets. Okay, so no pets are allowed, but yeah, this is a fabulous place. I have heard from many people, and I do want to get some stuff from here as well, but not now because I've already had breakfast. But if I am here in Vagator, I am definitely going to go there. And again, here now on the left is Mango Tree. So many people are seated here. It's like a open air bar, not open air to be honest, bar that is facing the road. So I think a lot of people like people watching. Again a chapel on the left, and again many stalls here on the right for t-shirts. So if you want to get some shirts, or the ladies if you want to get some dress, just follow this tip. Do not shop exactly near the beach, because that's where they will go to higher prices. If you see these places in some isolated locations, the stalls, you should visit them. They give you a good deal. On the right here, Prem's Kitchen, multi cuisine. Okay, so there are some restaurants here. We haven't been to many restaurants here. It's just that I know Jaws and Paz and Mango Tree are very famous. But if you know any good places here, please let us know in the comments. It will be very helpful for me and for our viewers who are coming here. AJ's Kitchen and Bar. So one thing I noticed is that there are a lot of cows here, calves as well. So please be careful when you're riding, and do not ride without a helmet. It's for your safety, guys. And even if the traffic police catch you, they're going to fine you. What's this? Legacy. So yeah, multiple small shops, cold drinks and everything else is being sold here. And on the right here is pineapple juice. So yeah, another thing what I wanted to highlight is how good the fresh fruit juices are here in India. So I always make it a point to have some little bit of sugarcane juice. I have taken a right from here, never come this side. Saudagar. Okay, at the beginning, at the entrance, for all our veg viewers, there was a restaurant called Navratna. It's okay. I would not say it's the best, but I think they have multiple outlets. So yeah, the taste kind of varies. See, again there's a cow here. So yeah, the taste kind of varies in different places. So do check the reviews before visiting. And Goan fish thali 150 rupees. Okay, so it looks like a very local place, Scarlet Bar and Restaurant. These are the kind of places that I love. You know, simple food, delicious. Thalis in Goa, you know, are great. You should definitely have thalis. We have made videos of many places in Goa where the thalis are great. I do not even know where I'm going, but I'll just keep riding. Wow. A huge supermarket here, Aegis Supermarket. So I see they have multiple things in there. So you should check this out. Again cows, and this guy is chasing the cow. It belonged to him. Right. So the situation here, as you can see now, is it's not very crowded. It's lovely riding the bike nowadays. I mean, I am enjoying riding the bike. Open roads, and today thankfully the weather is good as well. So yeah, it's a very good feeling to ride the bike. Even if you go out for a walk, it's very peaceful. And Vagator again, it's not a very crowded place. There was a little bit of crowd. What's this here on the right? Looks like a school. Yeah. The purpose of life is a life of purpose. Wow. That's what was written on the wall. I think God wants to give me a message. But yeah, beautiful words. I can relate. A life without purpose is being dead, to be honest. Amazing. I think I should turn back from here. Yeah, so I went back there, but yeah, I didn't find much happening that side. So this is the left that goes to the beach. That's where we came from, and from here I had taken a right. So what we are going to do now is head straight, and let me show you what's there. This side. As I said earlier, even I have come this way for the first time. But yes, looks like a nice place. Now, this area is not very crowded, Ibis style. So I'm sure those will be some very good rooms. Zantes. When I see Zantes, I'm always confused. I don't know which is the original one, but yeah, their cashews are great. And talking about cashews, guys, if you all want to get some very good sweets and very good cashews, dangerous turn by the bus because of a cow ahead. Yeah, so you have to be very careful, and they love their horns. They're honking, I mean. So yes, talking about cashews and sweets, Mapusa is a very good place to buy cashews and sweets. We always buy it from there if we have to take it for our relatives. If you get it from anywhere else, you won't enjoy it. Again, a little calf. So yes, as I said earlier, I want to repeat again. The cows, small cows as well. Please be very careful. Mango tree on the right. The great mango tree. Okay, this is the great mango tree. Right. So now I'm going straight again. Now this road is heading towards Anjuna, if I'm not mistaken. Goa. Wow, looks like a very good place. Let's stop here in the shade. I've stopped here at the side of the road in some shade. So yes, that brings us to the end of the virtual tour. I guess I have covered the hotspots here, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you want me to cover any more places in Goa, please let me know in the comments. And if you know any good places as well, anything Goa related, please drop that in the comment. So until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.